Hi, everyone. My name is Natasha Chang, and I'm an assistant professor at McGill University in Montreal, Canada. And today I'm really happy to be presenting to you our progress on our Defeat Duchenne Canada funded research project entitled Inducing Stress Granule Formation in Muscle Stem Cells to Treat Duchenne Muscular Dystrophy. And so this is a collaborative research project between myself and Dr. Imed Galuzzi. And we just finished our first year of funding in our 3-year funded project. And so the rationale for our project is quite simple. We built on previous work from Dr. Galuzzi's lab, where he showed that in a mouse model of cancer-induced cachexia, which is a severe muscle wasting disorder induced by cancer, he showed that treatment of these mice with a specific class of compounds was able to then improve muscle formation, which is also known as muscle differentiation. And it also improved the strength of these muscles. And so we asked whether or not these compounds could also work in the context of Duchenne muscular dystrophy. And the reason for doing that is that recent research in the muscle stem cell field has shown that muscle stem cells in the context of Duchenne muscular dystrophy are functionally impaired, and they inefficiently undergo differentiation and that contributes to the disease and the muscle degeneration that we observe in Duchenne muscular dystrophy. So we asked if we can then improve muscle stem cell function in DMD as a way to help with the disease. And so I just wanted to introduce the key people that are involved in this project. This project is really led by a really talented graduate student in my lab, Romina Filippelli, and she was helped by Shirley Lee. And so what Romina and Shirley showed is that using primary myoblasts, these are muscle progenitor cells isolated from both normal mice as well as our DMD mouse model, which is called the MDX mouse, they were able to show that using varying doses of the compounds that we can then improve muscle differentiation, both in a healthy context as well as a dystrophic context. And so these results were really exciting to us. And now they have validated these results using different variations of this compound. And so what we've now accomplished in year one, which is our milestone for year one, is the in vitro validation. So we've shown that in cell culture, these compounds work really well. And we've also started some mechanistic studies to understand what are the key proteins that are involved in this pro-differentiation process. And what we're now looking forward to as we enter into year two is to perform mouse studies. So we'll be using these compounds in our mouse models of Duchenne muscular dystrophy and asking whether or not we can help muscle regeneration in these mice, as well as improve muscle force. And so I'd like to thank Defeat Duchenne Canada for all their support. Thank you for your support and for listening.